Hi, I'm Alexander from Renee of Paris and I'm very excited today. It's topper time. I love toppers. I think they're amazing. They're so great in every single way and this one is so special. First off, it's from Amore. We love Amore. Amore is amazing and oozes quality, so we know from the off that we've got a fantastic piece. But what is it I like about this? First, love the length. So this one is the long TP mono, okay? But the length is just amazing. The industry right now, and there's so many people out there crying out for long toppers, so I know that you out there, we've heard your cries, the topper is here, but also what is amazing is we have a large base, and the large base toppers are so sought after right now. So taking a look at the back, as you can see, we've got this overall length, which is just lovely. Very, very flattering length, very fashionable, looks fantastic. But for me, it's the haircut. It's these feathered ends, it's these longer layers. It's the fact that when you put that on the head and against your own bio hair, it'll blend seamlessly. This is fantastic. Let's take a look at that base. This is the long TP mono with the large base. This comes in NM fiber, which means natural movement. She has a beautiful mono top, which makes her grow out of the top seamlessly, seeming extremely natural. We have this fantastic base with these amazing clips that just help pop into your bio hair, and this gorgeous long feathered length coming through. This is the long mono TP with the large base, and this is in the Amore collection.